Okay, I found more problems in this code. I found this thing on the web and it's all messed up. This whole last section I redid, which pretty much is a whole rewrite. Each letter he was adding unit delay between the dots and dashes, which means it's ignoring the inner element delay that you set up in the individual dot and dash. So yeah, it's a long story. So anyway, I believe I got it right now. And I gotta say, it is a lot crisper looking. Okay, it's gonna get ready to start a new message here, I think. Maybe not. Of course, I can there we go. Okay.